Looking for a gluten-free and vegan sweet braided bread recipe that actually stays soft and moist? You found it. But to get that perfect texture, you'll need to follow along closely. So watch this video all the way through. If you're loving this recipe, please take a moment right now to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. It really helps me out. And if you have any questions at all about the recipe, or if you have any requests for future cooking videos you'd like to see, please don't hesitate to write them in the comments below. I truly appreciate hearing from you, and I'm always happy to help you in any way I can.